What's up, everybody? I want to welcome you back to another episode of A Day in the Life of You on iVision TV. I'm your girl, Kenji Green, and today on our show, I want to introduce everyone to my twin. Her name is Kenji, and right after the break, you're going to meet her. Now, you know, we've been on the show, been on air, really, for a while, and I hope you guys have been tuning in because I really, really love to do this for you guys. It's all about you, so you know, if you know anybody that want to be on the show, if you want to be on this show, all you got to do is give us a call, drop us an email, and you should see the number and the email address on your screen right now. So go ahead, grab a pen, grab a paper, write it down, give us a call, drop us an email. It's going to be all about you. It's going to be right here sitting with me, and we'll feature a day in the life of you. But stay tuned. Right after this, you're going to meet my twin, Kenji.
Hang on, brother man, don't despair. Although we forgive 7 times 7, still the damage already done. So much damage already done.
The ones who knew which house they slept in, kidnappings, that's what's happening. Unauthorized phone tapping. You hear your loved ones on the phone babbling. Only 2 mil, that's all we asking.
As I told you before, I wanted to introduce you to my twin. She's sitting right here with me. Her name is Kenji. Now, although we look so much alike, we are the complete opposite. Now, I want you to go ahead and tell them one of the significant differences between the two of us. Well, one significant difference that I can think about is the fact that I like to study and you don't. I mean, that's not completely true, but well, I'm more of a bookworm, and you know, I like to stay and keep my nose in the book. So because you're more of the school girl type, the bookworm as you call it, is that why you stay so in shape? I mean, do you go to the gym? What do you do? Do you have time for anything else? I do not go to the gym. I eat, I sleep, and I study. That's my method. Not lying either. That's all I do. Well, thank you though for saying I stay in shape, you know, but I don't have a trick. So with your hectic schoolwork, your workload, you know, your community service, your volunteering, do you have time for a relationship? Are you seeing anybody right now? How's it going? Complicated. Complicated? I never heard that one before. Why is it complicated? Well, because of the distance between us, and you know, I'm here, he's there. It's too much work. Complicated. Well, I hope you guys been enjoying this one-on-one I'm having with my twin. I want you guys to stay tuned though, because right after this break, we have a lot more iVision and a lot more Day in the Life of You coming right up.
Everybody jump to the bombs, to the bombs. Everybody fear to the willy bombs, to the bombs, to the bombs. Everybody fear the vocal bombs, to the bombs, to the bombs. Everybody fear to the willy bombs.
Welcome back, guys. I'm still sitting here with my sister, my twin sister, and you're still watching A Day in the Life of You. Now, before we went on break, you were telling us about this complicated relationship of yours. Could you tell us a little bit more about that? Why would you call it complicated? Because as I can recall, you always had the guys, you know? Everybody chased you, so how are you in a complicated relationship right now? Well, because of the distance between us, and you know, I'm here, he's there. It's too much work. Complicated. Way too much work. Okay, well, so how do you manage to balance your dancing and your school and this complicated relationship of yours? How do you manage to balance it? Well, like I said, you know, I try to stay away from going out. I just focus on what I want to do, you know, focus on what makes me happy. And going out doesn't make me happy. I like to stay home, dance. Why did you choose dancing, by the way? I like to dance. I don't like the host. Well, okay, so are you going to keep dancing after you graduate, or are you going to actually look for a job in your major. Wherever the wind takes me. I want to dance and I want to do psychology. It's wherever the wind takes me. Well, stay tuned, guys. We still have a lot more coming up with her and a lot more of iVision. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Thank you guys for staying with us. I'm still sitting here with my twin Kenji, and we had a little one-on-one. I hope you guys are getting to know her better and seeing the differences between the two of us. Now, we're both from Jamaica, and I want to ask you, how would you describe the differences between the educational system in Jamaica and the educational system in America? Well, in America, I say it's more laid back. In Jamaica, we have more rules and it's more strict. So with the knowledge that you've gained here in America, would you consider moving back to Jamaica to use it to work for a job there, or would you rather work for a job here? Well, I love Jamaica. Jamaica is my home. It'll always be my home, but I would rather stay here because of the opportunities. I mean, America has a lot of opportunities for everyone, and I'd like to take advantage of them. Now, many people think that there's this myth, about twins, that if one is feeling a certain way, then the other should be feeling the same way or similar, or if one is hurt, the other one should feel it, that whole myth. Do you think that you and I have ever had any instances like that? Well, there have been a few instances. I remember the time when you fell out the tree and my leg ended up getting hurt, and everybody couldn't figure out why I got hurt and you're the one that fell out the tree. But I guess you could say that. There was that one time. Well, okay. I don't know. I can't think of anything really except that. And yeah, pretty much it.
She said, she never felt so right. I said, yes, baby, breathe on me tonight. She said,
So are you doing internships right now to further you into your career, or? No, I should be doing internships, but I haven't been because of my hectic workload. What kind of advice can you give? I plan on it to students that are going to graduate, are about to graduate, or even freshmen. What kind of advice can you give to them in order to let them know how to pursue their goals? Networking is the key. That's what's going to get you everywhere. You got to go out and talk to people. Networking is the key. You got to go out and talk to people. Communication. Right. That is the key. Everything you do. Well, guys, I hope you've been enjoying this interview with my twin Kenji. We'll be right back after this break. We still have a lot more coming up. The Day in the Life of You on iVision.
Baby, cool now.
Guys, we're out of time. I'm so sorry, but I hope you guys really enjoyed the one-on-one I had with my twin. And don't forget, do not forget, like I'm always telling you guys, and I will always be telling you this, the show is all about you. If you know anybody that want to be on the show, if you want to be on the show, you can be right here with me, sitting right here, introducing yourself to everybody out there. Give us a call, drop us an email. It'll be all about you, a day in the life of you. Don't forget. But until next time, see you for another episode of A Day in the Life of You. Peace.